Hi, my name is Kira Jones. I'm a fourth-year pharmacy student at High Point University, and I'm representing Quality Care Pharmacy, which is independently owned by husband and wife pharmacists, Tamala and Jason Joyce. They have two locations in Weston and Pinehurst, North Carolina. So for those of you who may be interested in pharmacy, today I'm going to offer you some steps on how you can get started. So what is a pharmacist? A pharmacist is a healthcare professional who dispenses prescription medications to patients and offers expertise in the safe use of these medications. We are also considered the most trusted profession. And why is that? Well, pharmacists may also conduct health and wellness screenings, provide immunizations, and provide advice on healthy lifestyles. You might see a pharmacist at a retail drugstore, grocery store, hospital, or even in an industry setting, just to name a few. To be a good pharmacist, you'll need to be a people's person. This does not necessarily mean you need to be the most outgoing person in the world, but being an effective communicator is key. Pharmacists talk to people about medical conditions and help them understand their medications. Communication is also a vital part of building good relationships between members of the pharmacy team, doctors and nurses who frequently call in relation to a patient's therapy. Some other skills include being detail-oriented, accurate, good at math, science, and chemistry. You'll need to know all about side effects and drug interactions. Here's the educational path to becoming a pharmacist. This is the traditional path, so yours may vary. After you've gotten your high school diploma or equivalent, you'll need to go to college and complete a bachelor's degree, typically 4 years or equivalent. The equivalent of a bachelor's degree would be completing the pre-pharmacy track, which is typically 2 years of taking all your core college classes. Then you'll need to take the PCAT, which is an aptitude test for future pharmacy students. Based on your score and college grades, you'll then apply for a PharmD, which is known as a doctor of pharmacy program, where you'll get your PharmD degree. This will take 3 to 4 years after you finish your undergraduate education. Depending on which path of pharmacy you choose, you may need to complete a residency to get more on-the-job experience. Finally, you'll need to pass the national and state exam. After that, you got the job. Pharmacy is a great field that's expected to keep growing as our population ages. To make your goal a reality, I highly suggest going and talking to your local pharmacist and asking them how they like their job. You can also ask to volunteer or even apply for a cashier or pharmacy tech position to see what an average day is like at a pharmacy. In addition, you can also research different pharmacy internships in your area. Hopefully this video gave you some good insight on what to expect if you plan on having a career in pharmacy. Thank you so much for listening.